HD-2D game. It's games that use a hybrid of 2D and 3D art style. It mixes the nostalgia of old pixel art games with the modern technology. Once upon a time, I felt my game art style sucked so hard, so I decided to convert the art style to an HD-2D art style. The real question, are we going to use the unlit or the lit material? By the way, here how it looks with the unlit material. By the creator of Octopath Traveler, combine them. Some models are lit and others are unlit, and they are using lighting in the level in a way that complement both type of materials, so lit and unlit materials work in harmony together.
Nice. We can use lit and unlit materials or even a mix between them. What should we focus on?
We want to focus on that nostalgia of old pixel games with some new breath of modern technology like lumen, non-light and post-processing effects and VFX, either with Niagara or pixel art VFX to give it that HD-2D feel. And this is how it looks only with an HDRI lumen. It's supposed to be a prison at night, and I think it really captured the feeling. We are going to use more lighting and some VFX pixel art like the fire, the smokes and the bubbly things on the cooking pots, so go nuts with it and with the post-processing.
I want some flowers and trees.
We can use foliage, just don't go for the hyper-realistic ones. And of course we need some fireflies.
Fireflies. I love them. They are like flying bubbly lights. So it's actually encouraged to use all modern technology to achieve HD-2D feels. By the way, don't you think that the ground is too clean for a prison?
Yeah, so using Quickscene Megascans, let's add some decals because imperfections make perfections in 3D world. We added some puddles of water, some dirt and small rocks. We even added some cracks in the walls. And voila!
Even Quixel Megascans can be used to fill the world. So, in computer graphics imperfection make perfection. Does that mean, if I became imperfect and make mistakes I would be more human? Okay, for HD-2D game, it does not have so much 2D elements.
Yes, because 3D assets added depth to the world, then we are going to use 2D and 2.5D sprites with default material to add so much life and details to the world. And look at that, we even have a cat, because a game with no cat is not a game. Hideo Kojima.
That's so cute. I love all animals. That actually adds so much details and life to the world.
Now for the final step, let's add NPCs and some sound effects.
Wait, is that Zoro? He is so lost. He came to our world. Would he affect the story?
Ooh, he's going to have a role in the story, but what is it? That's a secret to know in the future. We have a wizard and a happy chef and like a Dominic guards and some mysterious angry men and cats, of course. We applied the same steps to the cells and voila! Here are some other ideas that I didn't use but can be used. You can create normal maps to your 2D sprites to make sprites react better to light. Attach a light point to the character. Don't be afraid to distort objects and models so they look only correct in the camera view. Always draw sprites from the camera view.
Well, I learned a lot, but when to use 3D object and when to use 2D sprites.
As a general rule of thumb, 3D is used mostly in large objects and ground to give sense of depth. You can think of it as the large pillars of your level is in 3D and details are in 2D. It's what added life and details to the world.
Was Unreal Engine helpful?
Yes, because using lumen, megascans, post-processing are all in a press of a button, which make life a lot easier.
But wait, didn't you say all this can be done in any engine?
Well, yes, because all these steps are general rules, so they can be applied in any engine. Now, let's dive to gameplay in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Hey, add me as NPC.
Now, I won't. Why would I? You are not a player.
But why not?